Introducing the maintenance-free Impact Flex Bollard. Bollards naturally get hit by vehicles, and the cost of repairing and replacing them soon adds up. To avoid this unnecessary damage, the Impact Flex Bollard is strong, yet under force, it's flexible. It's chip and abrasion resistant and will not dent, rust or corrode, unlike more traditional solutions made from metal. The Impact Flex has great muscle memory. It doesn't dent or scratch, and will even spring back to its original shape if it's driven over by a lorry. And yet it's still strong enough to stop a family car, travelling at low speeds typically found in a car park. The nature of the material ensures that there's minimal damage to any car that does accidentally hit it. And there is never a need to repaint, as the pigment runs completely throughout. There are Impact Flex solutions for every situation. It's available as a root fixed product and will shortly be available with a base plate fixing alternative. So from supermarket car parks through to multi-stories, there's an Impact Flex that will reduce installation and maintenance costs for your project. Visit our website to view the full street furniture range, or speak to one of our sales team who would be delighted to help you.